I'm deep in the Utah desert today, in search of a stunning desert oasis waterfall known as Calf Creek Falls. We are in the Grand Staircase-Escalante National Monument, and the trails out here are not maintained, they're not marked, so you have to be careful you don't lose your way. Some people have set up these little rock piles, like this one. People have set up rock piles so you can kind of mark the trail that way, but you definitely want to keep an eye out for rattlesnakes, scorpions. Make sure you bring enough water with you and also some backup water filtration, because if you get lost in the desert with not enough water, you'll die real quick. I recommend hiking either early in the morning or later in the day if you're gonna do a desert hike. So we're gonna go check out this awesome waterfall. It's less trafficked than Lower Calf Creek Falls, so a lot less people will be there. Hopefully we'll have it all to ourselves. Just beyond the very top of Upper Calf Creek Falls is this pool right here. It's about 6 or 7 feet deep at its highest point this time of the year. It's the end of August, and it has a little like a 12 or 15 foot jump right there. Beautiful. You could probably slide that, although I have an injury I'm recovering from, so I'm not going to slide that today. But beautiful jump, crystal clear water. Beautiful swimming hole at the top of Upper Calf Creek Falls. Beautiful pool like this, out in the middle of nowhere, close to sunset in the middle of the week, nobody around. You could almost, if you wanted to, go skinny dipping. Upper Calf Creek Falls is absolutely beautiful, stunning. Just wanted to point out one thing on the way back. Came across this cactus, and if you remember from the Anza Borrego Super Bloom video, I talked about how all cactus, flower, and fruit is edible. There's a lot of seeds, but it tastes delicious. Fruity, very sweet. So as you can see, cactus fruit, edible. I think this is actually prickly pear, but I'm not positive. Still tastes very sweet, it's delicious. Get out there, find your own adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.